front of me is OPPO A80 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Either way, when you're ready, hold one of your pictures, and to select multiple right away, use this type of icons at the top right corners. Now, if you want to keep some, click on them, and to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!